Retro gaming isn't just making a comeback, it's going on-chain. Join the on-chain revolution as Atari Sunnyvale enters the builder's era. Get ready to relive the golden age of arcades Voxel style. Let's dive in. But before we do, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. All right, guys, retro gaming isn't just back. It's returning to its legendary arcade roots. And if you're like me and grew up playing in arcades, this should get you excited. You also get an awesome battle pass, and I love the old school gameplay. I love how this looks. It's super, super cool. And here we can see experiences, the avatar shop, all the cool stuff. And the avatar shop, what's it all about? Well, guess what? You can get Atari-themed NFTs during the launch. Costumes, items, voxels, all tied to the legacy. And they can even boost your EP as well. So here we can see the official Sandbox right here. If you're ready for an adventure, I think this is one you're really going to enjoy. And on top of that, there's the marketplace. There's even governance. We've got the whole map right here. You can see the Sandbox. Doesn't this look awesome, guys? This is amazing. Check out the Sandbox, the games, the different seasons, the quests you can play. Let's go. Let's get started. And we can just take a look around here. Check out the graphics right here. We can see land, different themes, gaming, luxury, fashion events. It's live, so you can filter this. This is really super cool, guys. And not only that, what benefits do the avatars get? You can get that EP boost. And I know you want to get that EP boost. I know you're excited to play this. Check out the graphics right here. So it even has different events. Based on the community, as you saw, there are different events happening around launch. We've got leaderboard challenges. We've got big things coming up for landowners. So one thing I really want to encourage you guys to do with your awesome NFTs right here. Once you get your retro-inspired avatars, you can share them on social media for EP bonuses. So that's how you can get some bonus EP. By sharing these awesome avatars that you create, you can check out the avatar collection. Look how awesome these guys look. Definitely Minecraft inspired. Check out how cool that gameplay looks right there. Super, super cool. All right, guys. So here it is. You can see me walking around. Kind of has that Minecraft vibe. Getting a feel for it. I am just doing a quick bit of casual gameplay. Whoop, here we go. A lot of people here. Woo, the Terminator. Oh no, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. The little report. Okay, what are we doing here? Talk to anybody, so that's something we can do. De-enter the chat. Okay, got the inventory, NFT gallery. Quests, map. This is really cool, social. All right, good stuff, guys. So if you're ready to do this, you're ready for some leaderboard challenges and some amazing things. This is the one you're going to want to check out. Guys, share your retro-inspired avatars on social media for EP. And this week also features special quests with boosted EP. Retro collectibles are limited edition, which makes them highly valuable. You get that sense of community nostalgia. Blockchain rewards, the perfect blend. Gamer, collector, whatever you are, it's all up to you. Experience the new age as retro games go live in the builder's era. What 3? Step into Atari Sunnyvale and earn. AP, claim your piece of arcade history in the Sandbox. Now, let me know what you think about it down below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.